Annabelle. Annabelle. Hello. Yes. Do you love your jumper? Yes. Do you love your jumper? How much do you love it?
Who likes to be on their tummy? Annabelle, do you like being on your tummy? Annabelle, is tummy time a fun time? Do you like tummy time? Just give the people a smile. Or eat on something that's near your mouth. Oh, it's a spit up. Okay, tummy time is over. Yeah, Annabelle. Yeah.
Hello. Hello, Annabelle. Hello. Hello. Who got their ears pierced today? Who got their ears pierced today? Who was it? Who was it? Who was it, gorgeous girl? Was it you? Was it you? Who got their ears pierced? Who got their ears pierced? Who? Annabelle. Annabelle. Hey, gorgeous girl. You gorgeous girl. Who got their ears pierced today? Are you camera shy? You're always so camera shy. Hi. Hi. Say hi, Mama. Hey, little Mama. Yeah. Hi. Hello. 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 Who got their ears pierced today? Who got their ears pierced today? Hey, little Mama. Hey, little Mama. Hey, little Mama. Hello, little Mama. Hello, little Mama. Hello, little Mama. Hey, little Mama. Hey, little Mama. All right, I'm putting it down. You're camera shy. Are you camera shy today, Marshmallow? Are you camera shy today, Marshmallow? Hmm?
Annabelle, do you like your jumperoo? Do you like your jumperoo? Do you? Do you? Is that fun? Is that fun in there? Yeah.
Why do you get so shy when we turn on the camera, you gorgeous girl? Why do you get so shy? Why do you get so shy? Yeah, talk to me, you gorgeous thing. Talk to Mama. Yes. Yes, you gorgeous baby. Yeah. Mama loves you. Yes. Yes, you gorgeous thing. What else? Tell me what else you have to say. Yes. What else? Yeah. Yeah. What else? What else do you have to say? I want to hear it all. Speak to me. Speak to me, little mama. Yeah. Yeah. Speak to me, little mama. Speak to me, little mama. Yeah. Yeah. What do you got there? What do you got? Huh? What are you doing? Got some crazy arms. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Can you grab something? Can we grab something? Where are you going? Where are you going? What's that red light? What's that red light? Let's show Gamma your pretty earrings. Ooh, there they are. Can we see them again? Can we see them again, you gorgeous thing? Can we see them again, you sassy little thing? Let's see. There.